almost 300 people die in road accidents in India every day. 1/4 of these accidents occur due to rash driving alone. Despite of advanced safety systems being introduced each year, we never witnessed a significant downfall in road accident statistics because these systems are limited to high-end cars, which constitutes less than 8% of overall automobile market in India. It is imperative to have a feature that needs to be affordable, robust and reliable too. We have come up with a solution for this, that could reduce number of accidents significantly. Collision detecting and driver monitoring system is a technology that uses deep neural networks for detections and estimations. It enables a vehicle to rate the driver based on various conditions. It basically keeps an eye on the driver at every instant of time. This cutting-edge technology gets well accommodated in any car irrespective of its segment. Let me give you a quick example of its working. Suppose there is a speed limit sign passed by. Our model detects and classifies this traffic sign and receives an input as a certain speed limit. Now our model checks if the driver is obeying these rules or not. If the driver exceeds the speed at any instant of time, a negative value is added to the driver's account. This model also monitors close calls with other vehicles. It also tracks lane following. Based on all of these different values are added to the driver's account. When driver reaches its destination, a safety rating system is given to the driver. This helps in keeping the driver regulates throughout the drive.